Listen, there's a young South African entrepreneur whose story is so inspiring. You have to go check it out.
Sekunabantu manje abakwazi ukuthi balele ngedlile ngenxa yami ukuthi khona abantu abakwazi ukuthi bangilekelele njengabo nje especially omata ngizokwazi ukuthi ngicele nomama emakhaya abakwazi ukuthi bangisize bangilekelele so nje bachazele nje ngiba highlightele kwagcina nje komnandi eroomini bathuka.
I'm going to be the first one to say I'm going to support this young man because it's not that I have a lot. Sometimes you support someone not because you have a lot, because you know how it is to have nothing.
Base nginikeza 100 rand nabanye eroomini baqala basukuma.
Oh wow.
Basukuma uthi hawu now 200 now 300. So there's a lady angimazi ngisho ilento le isibongo sakhe but yeah angimazi ngisho isibongo sakhe negama lakhe because wacela ukuthi abe anonymous. Wambizela eceleni uma lobonga wathi ngeke ngicela ukunikeza lo mfana u10,000. Ngaqala ngathuka nami uthi hayibo kwenzakalani.
If you're wanting the full story, you just need to click the link on my bio and it takes you straight to the story. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, do the whole thing. There's so much more content where that comes from. Keep it locked right here.